Hello, my name is Paul Mann, and I'm the Chairman and Chief Executive Officer, ASP Isotopes. We trade on Nasdaq under the ticker code ASPI. ASP Isotopes is trying to solve a number of supply chain issues in the critical materials sector, particularly isotopes and helium. We've built 3 manufacturing plants in South Africa for isotopes and 1 for liquid helium, and we expect these plants to come on stream and start producing commercial product during 2026. Isotopes are used in many end markets, such as next generation semiconductors, nuclear medicine, and nuclear fuel. We expect to be involved in all of those industries in the future. In addition, helium is required for electronics and rocketry. We have a very large resource of helium in South Africa. For more information on our company, please visit our website, aspisotopes.com.